bit about what ASAPROSAR does. So ASAPROSAR has five main programs that they run. The first is their early childhood education program, and this is known as Sprout of Hope. And this is for children all the way from birth to 6 years old. It's kind of comparable to what we have called the early intervention program. So basically, they have teachers that are trained to diagnose developmental delays, and they provide individual home visits for these families where they teach reading readiness, art, drama, nutrition, as well as personal hygiene and other things. And they also offer parenting classes and group meetings, and the group meeting is one of the things we got to sit in on when we were there. And this will get talked about in detail a little bit later. Their second program is their urban youth program called Barefoot Angels, and this is located in a place called the Market. So basically, the goal of Barefoot Angels is to prevent these urban youth from joining gangs or possibly being forced into child labor. So most of these children, before the program, they would come into the market really early in the morning with their parents and either work during the day or they'd miss out on the opportunities to go to school. So basically, the program, instead of being there with their parents all day, they go to the program instead. So there's two groups that go. It's a half-day program. So the first group will go in the morning and then go to school in the afternoon. And then another group goes to school in the morning and then comes in the afternoon. So at this program, they get computer and English classes. They do art, drama, they do sports, also as well as health and sex education. And they also get snacks and meals there, which is very important because a lot of these children may not get any meals at home. So if they can at least get one good meal a day at the program, then they're better off with their nutrition. The next program is the microcredit program. So ASAPROSAR provides small loans mainly to women to either start up a business or do home repairs. And the goal is that the women will pay back the loan, and then they actually put a small percentage of the repayment into a savings account for the women. And it's a group of women have this savings account together, and they have meetings, and they go over the funds and the budgets. And this program will be talked about a little bit further on, but basically it's trying to improve leadership and empowerment in women, as well as promote health education, literacy, and improved business skills. So another program that they have is their environment and sustainability program, which has many parts to it. One of these parts is their agriculture program. So in collaboration with the Heifer International, ASAPROSAR provides rural community members with animals, livestock, such as goats, chickens, rabbits, or bees. And the goal is that these families will breed these animals and then give the offspring to other families to continue on the program, as well as these families can sell the eggs, the milk, the honey, etc. from these animals to help make a profit for their families so that they can buy food or do house repairs, etc. So basically, it's a very sustainable program. So another part of their environmental program is eco-stoves. So they help build the eco-stoves in these rural communities, and another part is their latrines. And I'm going to talk about these programs a little bit further, detail a little bit later. So the next program is their community health program. So this program helps promote health in the community. So each community will pick a health promoter, and then ASAPROSAR will help train this health promoter. And the focus of this is preventative health care. So the health promoter is going to educate their community on maternal and child health. They'll teach them nutrition, reproductive, and sexual health. They teach them about disease prevention as well as immunizations, sanitation and water treatment, and many other things. And I'm also going to talk about this a little bit further detail because we had an experience of this with a health promoter while we were out there in the rural community.